In this video, I'm going to learn the coding for adding hover titles to the image on my web page. In the previous video, I added an image to my HTML coding template, which is now open on my desktop. To add the hover title to the image on my web page, I add the title attribute within the existing image tag. I am adding this after the source attribute. This tells the browser what name to give my image when I hover over it. I set the value of the title attribute to My Coding Lessons logo using the equal sign and double quotes once again. And this is what the code looks like in the web browser now. If I hover over the image, the text, My Coding Lessons logo appears. It's still a very basic web page, but little by little I am seeing gradual improvements, and once again I'm still understanding everything that I've learnt so far. In the next video I'll talk about an error to avoid when adding an image to my web page and what happens if I make that error. If you want to see how I progress learning coding, then please do subscribe and let's see what happens.